Aam Aadmi Party versus ally Congress battle heats up in the national capital ahead of the polls in Delhi. Now, the India Alliance partners are sparring, while the Aam Aadmi Party has gone to the extent of saying that they want the Congress out of the India Alliance. The Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that the BJP is funding the Congress party's, in fact, campaign in the national capital, and the Congress is working as a vote cutter for the BJP. Atishi, the Chief Minister of Delhi, has said Congress list of candidates is being made in the BJP office, and the BJP has made Congress, candidates list. Meanwhile, the Congress has hit back and said the alliance with the Aam Aadmi Party was a mistake. Ajay Maken, the senior Congress leader of Delhi, has called Arvind Kejriwal Farziwal. Meanwhile, the BJP is watching these developments from the sidelines and has said that this is an admission of defeat by both these parties.
अगर आप बाकी कांग्रेस पार्टी की प्रत्याशियों की सूची भी देखिएगा तो बिल्कुल शंका पैदा होती है कि यह सूची भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यालय में बनी है। इसलिए बनी है कि आम आदमी पार्टी के कुछ वोट काटे जाएं, क्योंकि कांग्रेस तो जीत नहीं सकती है। कांग्रेस पार्टी बीजेपी के साथ साठ गांठ कर रही है बीजेपी को दिल्ली में चुनाव जिताने के लिए। और अगर कांग्रेस की नेशनल पार्टी इस पूरे षड्यंत्र में दिल्ली कांग्रेस यूनिट के साथ नहीं है तो वो दिल्ली कांग्रेस यूनिट के नेताओं पर एक्शन ले, ये हमारी डिमांड है।
कांग्रेस ने मेरा ये मानना है कि हम लोगों से शायद अलायंस करके दिल्ली के अंदर दोबारा से हम लोगों से एक भूल हुई है जिसको सुधारना जरूरी है। मैं कभी भी इस चीज का पक्षधर नहीं रहा हूं, ना था और ना रहूंगा कि केजरीवाल जैसे व्यक्ति के ऊपर भरोसा किया जा सकता है। केजरीवाल हिंदुस्तान की राजनीति के अंदर अपने खुद के एम्बिशंस को फुलफिल करने के लिए किसी भी एक्सटेंट तक के जा सकता है। उसकी कोई विचारधारा नहीं है, कोई सोच नहीं है।
आरोप नहीं, तथ्य की बात करता हूं। साल भर पहले से बाकायदा फंड के अमाउंट के साथ जॉर्ज सोरस ने घोषणा कर रखी है ना कि मैंने $1 बिलियन रखा है मोदी जी की सरकार को हटाने के लिए और उन्हें कमजोर करने के लिए। तो मुझे लगता है कि दोनों पार्टियों को जवाब देना चाहिए, क्योंकि यहां तो आरोप नहीं है, यह बयान है कि खबरों में बने रहने की चाहत में एक दूसरे के प्रति कितनी नफरत है, ये उनके बयान से साफ हो गई और इसके द्वारा उनकी पराजय की स्वीकारोक्ति भी साफ हो गई। यानी अपनी भावी पराजय का आधार बनाना आम आदमी पार्टी ने शुरू कर दिया।
My colleague Ishika is joining us with more details on this story. Ishika, while the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party spar, it also has got to do with the same kind of vote bank which the Aam Aadmi Party fears that the Congress would be able to chip away if it gains strength.
Well, that's right, and that is why, in fact, we are seeing this allegation coming from the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, a rather big allegation that has come from their side. Atishi, in fact, alleged today in the press conference that, the BJP is funding the Congress party to cut the votes of the Aam Aadmi Party. And certainly, if you look at the history of, the elections, if we see the voter bank, it is certainly, with both, the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party fighting separately has given an edge to the BJP because of the same voter bank of the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress. But certainly today, not just that, today Atishi and Sanjay Singh also issued warning to the national leadership of the Congress party, saying that national leadership needs to make it clear whether they stand with the Delhi unit of the Congress party over the remarks on the Aam Aadmi Party, or they should take action on their leader, especially Ajay Maken. And Atishi also went on to say that if this doesn't happen, the Aam Aadmi Party will ask the other India Alliance members to remove Congress from the India Alliance. So that is certainly a very, we can say a very threatening comment that has come rather from the senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. What is interesting here is, the national leadership of the Congress party till now has remained mum on this entire issue, on the spar between the Delhi Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party. Now it is time certainly that they will have to come out and in fact, express their stand over this entire issue. That certainly is going to be an important development in this election. Over to you.
Thank you for joining us with all those details at this moment, Rishika. Let me also bring in Nikhil Jain, political analyst who supports the Congress party. Anmol Pawar, spokesperson of the Aam Aadmi Party, is also with us at this moment. Gentlemen, thank you for being with us. Let me start by asking you, Anmol, it's a battle for the national capital. Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress fought against each other in Haryana as well. So what happened suddenly in Delhi that you want them out of the India alliance? And let me remind you, the Congress is the biggest, bloc as far as the India alliance is concerned.
Ankit ji, the kind of statement made by their leader Ajay Maken, saying Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as anti-national, that won't be tolerated. It clearly indicates that the Congress party is working in collusion with the Bharatiya Janata Party, because yesterday we saw that how the former member of parliament of Bharatiya Janata Party, Pravesh Verma, was seen distributing 1100 rupees. All the media houses covered it, and but still, instead of filing an FIR against the BJP, they have filed FIR against Arvind Kejriwal ji. And we have never heard such comments from Ajay Maken against any BJP leader. This clearly indicates that they are working at the behest of BJP. They are working in collusion with BJP.
All right, Nikhil Jain, is the Congress fighting the battle within the India alliance, outside the India alliance? I mean, calling Arvind Kejriwal anti-national, the Aam Aadmi Party is saying you are speaking the language of the Bharatiya Janata Party.
So, Ankit, the thing is that the India alliance has always been an alliance at the national level, which is why the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress party did not fight together in Haryana, which is why multiple elections have come in wherein the India alliance members have contested against each other at the state level elections. Now, so far as the Congress's allegations are concerned that the Aam Aadmi Party is anti-national, I think that is just a sort of a tongue-in-cheek way of putting at it, that they are pretty much in the same boat as the BJP so far as these elections are concerned. And this is pretty much also the allegation that the Aam Aadmi Party is making against the Congress in these elections, that the Congress in Delhi is essentially playing the B team of the BJP. Now,
Okay.
I unlike Anmol, I am not an official spokesperson, and I have the liberty to, deviate a bit and, don an analyst's hat, and I can still say some things that are, that capture a larger picture instead of just being a mouthpiece. And the larger picture is that the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress party essentially contest for the same vote bank when it comes to Delhi. It is the poor, it is the slum dwellers, it is the Dalits, right? And naturally, they are going to fight each other. The voter base that is voting for the BJP in Delhi in the state elections are largely the very strong consolidated
Anmol, very
voters of the
quickly, just
BJP.
last word from you on this. Is that the big worry? I mean, is that the worry for the Aam Aadmi Party? Congress zinda hoga to Aam Aadmi Party ka vote bank le jayega, and that's why you are hitting out at the Congress party at this moment.
No, Ankit ji, we believe in the work which we have done for the last 10 years. We are confident about it. But the fact is that if Congress believes that Arvind Kejriwal ji is anti-national, then why did they form alliance in Lok Sabha election? Why did they invite him for campaigning? We demand that the Congress party, the senior leadership, must take action against Ajay Maken and the ones who filed FIR against him.
Okay.
Otherwise, we'll appeal to the India bloc leaders to reconsider the position of Congress in India alliance and remove them from the alliance.
Will you if Congress doesn't get out of India alliance, is the Aam Aadmi Party willing to walk out of the India alliance?
See, it is for the India alliance leader to consider that why did the Congress party, specifically Ajay Maken ji, why are they making such kind of
Congress
statements
has done, if they
against
don't throw
Arvind ji?
Congress out, is the Aam Aadmi Party willing to walk out of the India alliance?
We'll certainly consider the position. Let the India alliance clear its stand after we have given 24 hours to the senior leadership of the Congress party. If they don't take any action, then we'll certainly We'll certainly figure out the ways
All right,
to
gentlemen,
put them in
thank
place.
you for joining me at this moment. I have to wrap this up at the here itself. A quick break. News and updates will continue here on NDTV. Stay tuned.